Hi everyone, it's Handy Val once again with my 2010 Ford Fusion. Today I'm going to be changing the engine air filter. It's quite a simple fix and I'll show you how to do it. And the filter I'm using is a Fram Extra-Guard. The model number is CA10094. Now I got this off Amazon, but you can get this off any of the online retailers or from your local automobile parts store. Okay, there's the engine air filter. Right now, what you're going to notice, there's 3 clips over here. Can you see the 3 clips? And you're really going to come in from underneath them and lift them. Little clips. Okay. And what you're going to notice is there's hinges on this side. So these are the only clips you're going to do. Kind of make sure you make them they come undone, and you're going to lift it. Okay, now you're going to just sort of squeeze this thing in, squeeze it out, and there's your filter. Now if you're going to notice, this is a relatively clean filter, and we will be replacing it. Might as well. They're pretty cheap to do and drive a lot of miles. Saying, you know, this is a relatively clean old filter, but you could tell that the new one certainly is much better shape than the old one. And again, they're just a few bucks to do. So let's try replacing it. So you're going to notice there's the foam, and what you're going to want to do is kind of squeeze it in there, as you can see that. Make sure the clips aren't in the way. And you're going to just try to drop that in there, and there you go. And now you want to put this cover back on. Now you're going to notice that there's some clips on this side. You may get them into the clips there first. You want to make sure you got them. And get in there. Make sure every one of them is in there, and then once you can tell that they're all there, all 3 of these back hinges are in, and then you're just going to put the clips back on and clip them on. That's 1, that's 2, and then that's 3. And before you finish off, you just want to make sure that you do have everything here is in good operation, and you are done.